OK，这是最后一堂课，before 你们去考试。说我最后还没 cover 的地方就是 composite solids。Now composite solids composite 这个字 basically it means made up of different parts。OK， 也就是说这一个 solid OK is composed or made up of different smaller solids。OK，so 比如说这一个 OK，as you all know 这个 is a pyramid and this is a cube. So this composite solid is composed of the pyramid and the cube. Okay, let's take a look at the next example. This is your hemisphere and this is the cylinder. Now, okay, so when you want to find the surface area of a composite solid, what happens is 因为比如说当这两个 solid 连起来的时候，你看到比如说这一面 OK， 这一面呢，其实它已经是被盖着了的 ，OK， 也是可以讲是它是空的。所以当你们算它 surface area 出来的时候，你比如说这个 pyramid， 你需要把它下面那个 base 的那个 area 把它抠出来，就是说你不要把它算进去。同样的，这个 cube 你不可以把上面的 area 算进去。Okay, so basically when you calculate the surface area of composite solids, you must take away or you must not calculate the surface that are stuck with another solid. Okay, 可以明白吗？ So in this case, 反正 hemisphere 跟 cylinder 这一个 okay, this area of the circle you must not calculate. Okay, so let's take a look at one example. Okay, now the question requires you to find the surface area of this composite solid. Okay, as you all know, this solid is made up of two different solids. So this is the pyramid and this is the cube. Now, pyramid 的 formula, surface area 的 formula 已经教过了的 it is equals to the area of the square base, okay, plus 4 times the area of the triangle. Okay, and the cube of the area for the surface area of the cube will be 6 times the area of the square. Okay, 左右上下前后。Now, the problem is, 因为你看 okay, for this pyramid, the bottom surface is stuck to the cube. 所以其实这一个 surface 你是不应该算的 ，OK。然后同样的，这个 cube 的上面这个也是连着那个 pyramid， 所以你也不要算这个。Now, so if the pyramid 我们不要算那个 area of the square, so we should not calculate this one. And whereas 你的 cube 本来是有6面的，然后现在你只要算5面而已。OK， 清楚 ？Now, so okay, let's put in the formula. The surface area of this equals to first the pyramid, which is 4 times the area of the triangle, and then plus 5 times the area of square. Okay, 它这边给你的 height 是12 but 在 pyramid 你们需要用到的是 slant height. Okay, 还记得吗？For surface area of pyramid， 给之前教过的。那当它没有给你 slant height 的时候，还记得要用什么 theorem 吗？ Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so how are you going to use Pythagoras theorem? 还记得 Pythagoras theorem 只能用在直角三角形或者是90 degrees 的 triangle. Okay, so what you have to do now is you have to draw okay, a 90 degrees triangle here. Okay, 明白吗？Now, so 我把它画出来在这一边 ，OK， 等下画清楚一点。Okay, let's draw some. Let's say here. Okay, so this is your triangle, your right angle triangle. Now, the slant height 你需要把它找出来 ，which you do not know yet. And 这边还给你的 height， okay, 这边的 height is also the height here， 看到吗？So if this is 12 cm, okay, this part, okay, 这边 okay, is also 12 cm. 那这边的长度是多少？看这边 this is 10 cm, this is 10 cm. So 10 cm 再除一半 ，OK, 就是 OK， 10 cm 除一半就是5 cm。OK， 然后之前我教过了的 for Pythagoras theorem 是没了，写在另外一边好清楚一点。OK，Pythagoras theorem 是 a square plus b square equals to c square。c square 是用在c square 是 c 是用在 hypotenuse 的，或者是斜那个斜的长度。OK，so this is your slant height. So this is c. Now a which is 5 square plus 12 square equals to c square. And 5 will be 25 square 了，这边就144 c square will be here， 加起来就是等于，等下给我用 calculator 算一下，5 square 加12 square 就等于169等于 c square， 然后把那个 square 丢过去，这边就 square root 了。So c will become 13 cm. So 13 cm now here would be your slant height. OK， 也找到 slant height 了。Okay, your slant height here will be 13 cm. Okay， 然后 so OK， 换回去。OK， 如果你要看得更清楚的话 ，slant height 其实是这一个。OK，slant height is this one. Alright. So now so 我们知道这边是13 cm 啦。13 cm. OK。So 当然我们也知道area of triangle 要怎么样算 4 times 这边 4 and then area of triangle will be half times base times the slant height over here. The base is 这边看得到 which is 这边全部一样的，说是10 cm times the slant height over here, okay, which is 13 cm. Okay, 其实不用写 cm 的 sorry. Okay, plus 5 times the area of square. The length is 10, so the width is also 10. So here is 10 square. 然后 so okay, let's calculate here. 4 okay, 这边删掉，这边就变1，这边就变5 sorry. 然后5乘13等于65 加5 100. Okay, times 4 260 plus 500, so 一共加起来是760。记得你的 unit 的 unit 是 cm square. Okay, so 成功找出来了 the surface area for this one. Okay, so 应该可以去下一题了吧 ？Okay, 我擦掉一些东西，如果怕你们乱的话。Okay, so remember this is your slant height. Okay, 我们之前wait okay, so this is your slant height. Okay, so this one 13 cm 就是你们这边的 slant height 或者是这边啦。Okay, so okay, next question. Now this solid is composed of a cone and a cylinder. Okay, 然后 for a cone and a cylinder 它连住的 surface 就是这个圆圈。Okay, the surface area of the cone 的 formula 是 pi r square, which is the area of the circle, times the area of the sector, which is pi rs. Okay, the area of the cylinder is 2 pi r square, 就是这两个圆圈这两个 circle 的 area 2 times pi r square, which is the area of the circle, plus the area of the rectangle over here. When you open it up, the net would be 2 pi rh. Okay, so in this case, 我们也知道 this circle is not used. 不是 not used. This circle is 它连住这两个 solid. So for the cone, we should not calculate or 我们不要算那个area of the circle. So area of the circle, 我们知道it belongs to pi r square, so we slash this off. And then for the cylinder, okay, 2 pi r square consists of the base and the top circle. So 这个我们不要算，就变成还剩下我们本来有两个 circle， 然后现在只算一个 circle， 所以现在还只剩下1 pi r square. Okay, so okay, let's calculate again. Okay, the surface area, okay, of this composite solid equals to pi rs, which is for the cone, 没有了那个 pi r square plus pi r square which belongs to this this circle, okay, plus 2 pi r h. Okay, so pi, let's say 我们用22 over 7啦 okay. R radius, okay, 怎么找 radius? The diameter here as shown here is 12 cm. So the radius here will naturally be 12 divided by 2, which is 6. Now the slant height is not given. What they give you is the actual height only. Okay, so for the they give you the actual height. This one is the slant height. Okay, this one is the slant height. Okay, and this one, the height, okay, the actual height is 8. Okay, so we draw out the triangle over here. Yeah, 还是在下面好一点. Okay, so this is your right angle triangle. Okay, the actual height is 8, which is here. The radius is 6, which is, the radius is 6. Therefore, this side is also your base, which is 6. Slant height you don't know yet, so put it as S. Pythagoras theorem, a square plus b square equals to c square. Okay, 记得 as the slant height, the hypotenuse is for c. So a is 8, b is 6. Okay, then c you don't know yet. 8 square, 6 square, c square. Add together is 100. C square, throw the square root over the other side, so c will be equals to 10 cm. Okay, so yeah, now we know that this one is 10 cm. So now we have the slant height. Okay, the slant height now is where's my pen? Okay, 10. Sorry, wrong color. Okay, plus pi, okay, r, the radius here, which we know is 6 square, plus 2 pi, okay, r over here, which is 6, and the height, okay, over here is 7 cm. Okay, so let's use my calculator. Okay, 22 over 7 times 6 times 10 would be, okay, 188 and 4 over 7 plus, sorry, 22 over 7 times 6 square, which is 112, and 1 over 7, sorry, 113 and 1 over 7. Okay, plus 2 times 22 over 7 times 6 times 7 is 264. So add them all up together, 188 and 4 over 7 plus 等一下 sorry, 113 and 1 over 7 plus 264. Your answer would be 565 and 5 over 7. Remember your unit, which is cm square. Okay, so there you go, your answer. Next, okay, this okay is okay, 这边我们知道 this is actually a prism or a triangular base prism. Now 这边你要注意 okay, this is actually a hemisphere. Okay, 它其实就好像一个 basin 这样子，一个洗手盆这样子。Okay, 它是弯进去的。Okay, so this solid, as you know, it is the hemisphere. Okay, the surface area for prism 我们知道是the 2 times the area of the triangle. Okay, 还记得吗？ Okay, this the triangle over here and the triangle at the bottom. So there's 2 triangles, so it's 2 times the area of the triangle, and plus, okay, the area of rectangle 1 plus rectangle 2 plus rectangle 3. Okay, 因为我们这边有3个 rectangle. Okay, you've got your rectangle over here, and 后面那个 rectangle. Okay, now for the hemisphere 我们直接知道 okay, the surface area for the hemisphere is 3 pi r square. Okay, 1 pi r square belongs to the base circle. Okay, this thing is 2 pi r square, and this base here is another pi r square. Okay, 还记得吗？ This is 2 pi r square. So that is why you have 3 pi r square altogether lah. Alright. Okay. So now, 来我们看一下哪一些 area 我们要把它eliminate 掉的。Okay. So for the prism over here, okay, 这边就有你看到这边有一个洞嘛 ，OK， 所以其实它的 area 你可以直接算好来先 ，OK， the area of the prism 完完全全把它算出来，然后之后才把这一个 circle 的 area 扣出来。So the area of the circle 你们也知道是 pi r square， so 你这边不用减掉东西吧，你之后你这边减 pi r square。Okay, for the hemisphere, 因为我们也知道 this hemisphere 是一个洞，这边是一个洞来的 ，OK， 这边是空的，所以也就是说这一边是空的，也就是说我少了一个 pi r square， so instead of 3 pi r square, now it's 2 pi r square. OK， 明白 ？Now, so let's go back here. The surface area, okay, would be equal to 2 times the area of the triangle plus rectangle 1 plus rectangle 2 plus rectangle 3, okay, 我没有位置 and then minus pi r square and plus 2 pi r square. Okay, algebra 学过的这两个其实如果你们注意的话，这两个其实是 like terms 来的，这个也是一个 pi r square， 这边也是一个 pi r square， 所以这边我本来有2个 pi r square， 减掉1个 pi r square， 我还剩下1个 pi r square. Okay, 我现在重新把它写出来。Okay, 2 area of triangle plus rectangle 1 plus rectangle 2 plus rectangle 3. Okay, 然后在这边，我本来有2个，然后减掉1个，所以我还剩下1个 pi r square. Okay, 这边明白 ？Okay. Now 2 times the area of the rectangle, triangle. Sorry. Now triangle 我们所知道它的 formula 是 half times the base times height. Okay, so the base here is 5 cm. Okay, and the height 看到吗？这边 this is your base, and this is your height. Okay, so 5 times 12. Okay, 如果他给你这个，你就不要算出如果他给你这个，你记得用 Pythagoras 把它扣出把它算就如果他给你这边是13的话，你自己醒目一点哦。这边是13，然后把它 sub 进那个 Pythagoras theorem 里面，然后你就找到这个是12了的啦。OK, so plus rectangle 1. Okay, let's say this one is rectangle 1. So 5 cm times the height here, which is 7 cm. So 5 times 7. Okay, then let's say this is rectangle 2. So and your height is 7 cm. 这边我算不出来，这边我不知道。所以看到吗？那 this is a right angle triangle. Okay, so 我把那个 right angle triangle 画出来。So this is 5. Okay, 看到吗？ And this is 12. So this is C. So A square plus B square equals to C square. 12 square plus 5 square equals to C square. 144 plus 25 equals to C square. 169 equals to C square. In the end, throw this square all over to the other side. In the end, you'll find that C equals to 13 cm. Okay, so now you know that here is 13 cm. 然后这边我们也找到 this one is 13 cm. Okay, so the area of this rectangle 2 will be 13 times 7. 13 times 7. Okay, rectangle number 3 is 在后面那边。Okay, 在后面我没有画出来，在后面那边看不到了。So okay, 不用紧，我这边画出来。等一下给我一点时间。Okay. Okay, 看到吗？所以后面其实是一个 rectangle 来的 ，which is 12 cm times 7 cm. So 12 cm times 7 cm. Okay, pi, let's say, pi, let's use 3.142 lah. Okay, 3.142 times the radius. Radius here given is 2 cm, so it's 2 square. OK， 现在把它算出来，这边扣掉，这边就变6，然后2 of 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 7 is 5 times 7 35. Sorry, 13 times 7 is 91. 12 times 7 is 84. Sorry. Okay, and 3.142 times 2 square equals to 12.568. Okay, so let's add them all up together. So here, okay, 60 plus 35 plus 91 plus 84 plus 12.568. Okay, 60 plus 给我用 calculator 算出来啊 12.568 等一下啊按错了 Okay, so your answer would be 282.568 and remember you need cm square. Okay, 最后一题 Okay, 这题注意啊 Okay, now 注意啊这题 Okay, so this is your cone. Sorry, this is your hemisphere. Okay, hemisphere. And this is a cone. Okay, given that the radius is 5 cm and the height here is 12 cm. Okay, so as usual, 之前讲过的 hemisphere is 3 pi r square and cone is pi r square plus pi rs. Okay, so 记得这一边是不要算的 So for your hemisphere 你少了一个 circle 就这边少了一个 circle 就变成2然后你的 cone 你少了这个 circular base So 那个 circular base 的 area 是 pi r square So 这个把它删掉 So 你还剩下 pi rs 罢了 Okay, so very simple this question Your surface area over here is equal to hemisphere which is 2 pi r square plus cone which is pi rs. Okay, so let's use 22 over 7 lah. 22 over 7. Your radius here which is 5. So it's 5 square plus 22 over 7. Radius is 5. S is not given. So here 它给你的只是 actual height which is 12 cm. Okay, 看到吗 Now, so if this is 12 cm, okay, so 我们还记得找不到 slant height 就用 Pythagoras theorem 把它算出来咯 So Pythagoras theorem 记得 Pythagoras theorem can only be used for right angle triangle. So if it's right angle triangle, 我们把一个 right angle triangle 先画出来 So this one which is 12 cm would be 12 cm over here. Okay, 看到 So let's draw a right angle triangle. Okay, so 12 这边我们知道它的 radius 是5 So 5 would be over here 看到吗 This is 5 Okay, and this would be 12 over here Okay, and your slant height over here This is your slant height 嘛对不对你找不到 slant height Okay, 记得 cone 是要用 slant height 的 Slant height 你找不到 So let's put an S here first Okay, so Pythagoras theorem A square plus B square equals to C square A which is 12 square plus B which is 5 square equals to 这边你要放 S square 都可以的 Okay, 144 plus 25 equals to S square 169 equals to S square and there you go your slant height you square root of 169 so your slant height would be 13 cm Okay, so now you know that your slant height here is 13 cm Okay, 把它 sub 进去 Okay, pi RSS is 13 Okay, 现在我们用 calculator 把它算出来 2 times 22 over 7 times 5 square equals to 157 and 1 over 7 Okay, and 22 over 7 times 5 times 13 Okay, equals to 204 and 2 over 7 OK， 把这两个加起来，204 equals to 371 and 3/7. 361, sorry. Okay, remember unit 3 cm cube. Okay, so 我的 syllabus 已经教完了 ，OK， 不明白继续 call 我还是 WhatsApp 我啦 ，OK， thank you so much， 祝你们考试成功 ，OK， 拜拜。